Our top story now, and there were some moments of bonhomie in Parliament today after Om Birla was re-elected as the Speaker, and this after a rare election for the post. Rahul Gandhi, as leader of opposition, said it's important for the voice of the opposition to be heard. But soon after, a showdown over the emergency after Om Birla in his address mentioned the dark days of emergency and called for 2 minutes silence in the House, surprising the opposition and leading to an uproar.
The image of the day, the Prime Minister and the new leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, shaking hands as they welcomed Om Birla as the Lok Sabha Speaker for the second term.
I invite Sri Om Birla to come up and occupy the chair.
After over 3 decades, the country witnessed a contest for the Speaker's post, but the conclusion was foregone. An NDA candidate, Om Birla, was re-elected through a voice vote. Though the NDA was confident of its numbers, it had reached out to MPs of smaller parties to expand its support base from 293 MPs to 307. The motion for the Speaker was moved by Prime Minister Modi himself and seconded by others in the NDA. He showered praises on Birla, a 3-term MP from Rajasthan's Kota, saying he was an inspiration to many young parliamentarians.
इस आसन पर विराजमान हो रहे हैं कि आप आने वाले 5 साल हम सबका मार्गदर्शन भी करेंगे. आपके चेहरे को ये मीठी मीठी मुस्कान पूरे सदन को भी प्रसन्न रखती है.
I'd like to congratulate you.
But it is what opposition MPs said that gave a glimpse into what the parliament sessions in the near future could look like.
It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this house. The opposition also represents the voice of India's people.
आप लोकतांत्रिक न्याय के मुख्य न्यायाधीश की तरह बैठे हैं. हम सबकी आपसे अपेक्षा है कि किसी भी जनप्रतिनिधि की आवाज दबाई न जाए.
Minutes after Birla was re-elected, a resolution against the emergency was passed, with the Speaker saying it was a setback to Indian democracy.
इमरजेंसी के दौरान भारत के नागरिकों के अधिकार नष्ट कर दिए गए, नागरिकों से उनकी आजादी छीन ली गई. ये वह दौर था जब विपक्ष के नेताओं को जेल में बंद कर दिया गया. इमरजेंसी का वह समय हमारे देश के इतिहास में अन्याय काल का एक काला खंड था.
This led to protests from the opposition.
It's rather unfortunate, it seems to me, that the Speaker himself has ended up undermining that spirit with a very divisive statement about the emergency, which frankly was not necessary. It was 49 years ago.
समाजवादी नेता और समाजवादी उस समय के जितने जनता पार्टी या तमाम नेताओं ने भी उस समय को देखा, लेकिन हम पीछे मुड़ के कितना देखें, हम पास्ट को कितना देखें.
यही लोकसभा अध्यक्ष है जो एक झटके में 100 से ज्यादा सांसदों को निलंबित कराया. आपातकाल में ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
BJP leaders spoke about the resolution, describing the emergency as the darkest chapter in Indian history.
Cabinet rectified on the morning of 26 June 1975. That is why today we passed the resolution in the House that such trumpulation of such demolition of the Constitution will not be allowed again. So we have taken a resolution.
Today was also the day Rahul Gandhi took over his first constitutional post. He is the 3rd member of the Gandhi family to become the leader of opposition after Sonia and Rajiv Gandhi. With Vasudha Venugopal, Maria Shakil and Sunil Prabhu, Bureau Report, NDTV.